Thank you for the introduction to coming this seminar. So the topics, smart manufacturing reference model, this is a kind of basis for the foreign presentations. So I want to briefly explain our group JW21. Yes, just simple pictures. We see many ISO and IEC committees related to these topics. We are sitting in between the ISO TC184 and IEC TC65. ISO TC184 is titled as Automation System Integration, IT side. The IEC TC65 is industrial measurement measurement and control. So in the more so OT side, and we are in a good position to sit in between. Just a simple history. Our group is created in year 2016. The current members, the registered member is 115 members, a big group. But actually, actual participants are a little bit less, but in many members, the 15 countries. And we have already met as a meeting 24 times, and also additionally, there's some working group, working sessions. So I think our group are very much active in the past 7 years. The idea behind this group is that, as you see, about 10 years ago, smart manufacturing activities are very active. And then at the time, many so-called reference models for smart manufacturing was created. The most well-known is Rami for the door came from Germany, and also as well as others from Japan, China, France, etc. And then reference model are considered as a kind of better understanding of the individual systems and also the better usage of the systems and designing and also usage. So that then idea is came back for it's a nice idea to have a kind of unified reference model which covers all those different models for better interoperability of the systems. So those are many stories are behind, but make the long story short, our group was created under the terms of references. This JWG shall prepare a standard unified reference model to support TC184 and IEC TC65 activities in smart manufacturing. This terms of reference was agreed about 8 years ago, and then I think still relevant. At the start of this group, not much knowledge and the result there, so we started almost from scratch and to create several products by the very big contribution of the very active and able experts. We have two derivatives at this moment. One is IECTR 63319, a meta modeling analysis approach to smart manufacturing model. This is the basis to review the current status about the smart manufacturing reference models and propose a meta model to describe smart manufacturing different individual reference models. And then our target is IS Internet Standard number is 6339. It's a unified reference model for smart manufacturing. This is a requirement and specification of a smart manufacturing individual reference models. So the first year is some kind of guidelines to work for the IS, and then we finished this work almost I think 4 years ago to put in the ISO IC head offices, but still we are waiting for publications. We will come up soon. But almost a year ago, we have finished the work on the IS 6339, and this will come up maybe not yet, maybe today or next week. We'll see this will be published, so we can access this standard very soon. This is whole some rough pictures of our result. Some keywords. One is URNSM, the Unified Reference Model for Smart Manufacturing. That is a basis to make a kind of to establish some relationships and to keep a conformity among the different individual smart manufacturing reference models. We call it a SMRM. And currently, or usually, we have 16 or more such reference models. But by some unified framework by URMSM, we can establish a kind of better understanding of the relationship and also the kind of conformity adaptation to the existing models. And then based on the smart management reference models, if we apply this to the individual implementation, we can think about the smart manufacturing implementation model. And based on that, we can create an individual actual working system. So this whole picture, JWG is working for URMSM under the name of 6339. And the whole scheme is TR6319. Please remember this number. And then this meeting for about 1 year ago, we are working for the TR to make better understanding of the 6339 because the 639 standards are a bit difficult to understand if you look at the first time. And so that's not easy to apply this idea to consider about the individual smart manufacturing reference models. But now we are working with a kind of guideline or understandable method to create individual smart manufacturing reference model according to your requirements. So this is a TR63597. This we are now working for, and expect that we can finish this TR work within a year. I want to skip this meta-modeling framework that is written in the 6319 TR. So you can refer, if you are interested, you can refer to this document. Just I want to repeat the scope statement of 6339 IS. This internal standard specifies the unified reference model for smart manufacturing using a terminology and structure, and establishes a criteria for creating reference models as a specialization that supports smart manufacturing. That's a very simple idea. So that basis 6339 gas specification requirement. Then based on that, according to your environment, you can create or you can consider about individual smart manufacturing reference models. Again, the same pictures. There are several existing reference models in individual domains, regions, and then what we have done is meta model representations that is give us some kind of general, framework to make a better understanding relationships and the interoperability of the existing models. To perform such work, we need to have some kind of understanding guidelines. So that is a new TR 63597. So we are now working on that. So maybe I shall skip those things, just like that. So we have worked on this history. Then at this meeting, as already said, in 3 days, we worked on this new TR, and then good progress, and much of this text are still under discussion, but many related topics will be presented after in this seminar. But I expect a very nice discussion on this, and that will contribute very much to our new TR about this step, how to receive this specific. So all of you will enjoy this presentation, but also for myself, I very much expect that I can give a good input for making this new TR standard as well. Thank you very much.